I am Srimanta Ghosh. I am heading the maintenance and facility. As a head of maintenance, I am looking for improve our MTBF of the machines, technical availability, and also to drive our plant towards from the reactive maintenance to proactive maintenance. Right now, the challenge is like that we have different type of machine and we have central facility where downtime will affect our entire plant. So it is important to adopt the new generation technology like proactive maintenance. Right now we have a 23 sensor for all of our central facility system. Central facility is very important for the whole plant because for any issue in the central facility, whole plant will be affected. But after installation of OPTIME in last 3 months, we avoid 2 major incidents. But with the OPTIME, our maintenance people are now more confident. They can identify the problem before the major breakdown. It also helping us to save a lot of money by the way that quality issue is reduced, production has increased, and reliability of the whole system has increased. After experiencing the OPTIME's benefit, we are going to increase our OPTIME number. I can see that I am really getting a lot of benefit because from SAVLI OPTIME sensor, you can predict the failure and accordingly you can take the corrective measure. Ultimately, you are making your plant more reliable. You are also, saving a lot of money by preventing major breakdown. You can reduce also your manpower. SAVLI OPTIME sensor is a complete package. It has different platform to access. So I am very happy with the SAVLI product and I must recommend everyone that they can also use it and they can feel how they will be empowered with this OPTIME sensor from SAVLI.